Okay, to reduce this to echelon form, what I require is the entries in the bottom left hand corner, these three entries here, I want them to become 0 to reduce. That's what echelon form is. Those three entries there must be 0. So to get a 0, we have a 0 in row 2 and row 3 first of all by eliminating the x terms. So row 2 will become, so if I double row 1 and subtract it from row 2, so that's row 2 take away 2 row 1, and for row 3, if I treble row 1 and subtract it from row 3, that becomes a 0. So it's row 3 minus 3 row 1. So row 1 is unchanged, that gets written down first of all. Keep these in triplets. So the second row, so 2x minus 2x is nothing. Y take away 6y is minus 5y. Z minus 2 lots of 2z, that's z minus 4z, that's minus 3z. And 7 take away 2 lots of 14, 7 take away 28 is minus 21. And then row 3 minus 3 row 1, so 0 for the x, so I got 2y take away 9y is minus 7y. I got minus z take away 6z is minus 7z, and 7 take away 3 lots of 14, 7 take away 42 is minus 35. So I got these two entries to be 0. Now I need this one here to be 0. So I only have to deal with row 3. So row 3 is going to become, right, so using row 2 with row 3 at this stage, I need the coefficients of y to be the same. So if I do 5 lots of row 3 and subtract 7 lots of row 2, I'll get a 0 entry there. So x plus 3y plus 2z is 14, minus 5y minus 3z is minus 21, and then for the third row, the y term will become 0, and for the z term it's 5 lots of minus 7, take away minus 7 times minus 3, so that's minus 35, add 21, that's minus 14z, and I got 5 lots of minus 35, take away 7 lots of minus 21. So I'll do that one on the calculator. So it's 5 times minus 35, 5 times minus 35, take away 7 lots of minus 21. That gives me minus 28. Okay, so I got echelon form here because I got those three entries there as 0. So now I'm able to complete it. So I can, from the third line, I can calculate z. So z is going to be minus 28 divided by minus 14. So z is 2. Then substitute that back into the second row. So we got minus 5y minus 3z, which is minus 3 lots of 2 is minus 6, is minus 21. So minus 5y, take the minus 6 over, that becomes minus 15. So y is minus 15 over minus 5, which is 3. And then substitute for z and y into the first equation to find x. So that'll be x plus 3 lots of y is 9, plus 2 lots of z is 4, equals 14. So x is 14, take away 13, so x equals 1. So the answer is x equals 1, y equals 3, and z equals 2. So we got a unique solution from those set of three equations.